Now this is an absolute cracking buy. It's a Defender D250 90 hardtop S, 25 model, VAT qualifying. It's been fully exterior styled, wide arches, black pack, pod lights, upgraded wheels. It's done 9,000 miles, manufacturer's warranty until 2028. And these are, by no stretch of the imagination, the most popular and the best-selling commercials on the market today. Defender 110s and Defender 190s. The benefit to a 90 over a 110, I suppose, is if you are around city centres or slightly tighter spaces, you've got that shorter wheelbase. But for me, this has the style everyone wants to achieve. Santorini black with that extended black pack and the bespoke style. And the pod lights not only look cool, but they're fully functional. The wide arches from the front give it that more aggressive look. The black pack to that front bumper. Now, with it being an S and a 25 model, you have some interior features that they updated and they changed, which I'll show you in a second. The wheels, 22-inch multi-spokes in like a satin black finish, beautiful. Front and rear mud flap side steps. Now, it's also got the very important jump seat. So 3 seats in the front. And if you don't have a daily use for that, there's 2 benefits to it. One is the resale value when you come to sell it, because it will attract more attention on the fact you can carry 3 people. But 2, it doesn't really cause any harm, because if you slide it down, it folds up as an armrest. So you can carry that extra passenger if you need to. Larger screen was another change or update on the 25 model. You've then got things like deployable side ladders, fixed spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover. The black pack continues as well. Now with the 90, you still benefit from a huge load space, cargo space. You can get whatever you want in there, but a lot of people who use these are VAT registered businesses who want a financially savvy way of buying a vehicle, but they want to drive something that's nice. So you can drive what is exactly the same as the car version, but you have the benefits of all those things I've just mentioned. You've got the side box as well, side carrier, and then the interior. So as I mentioned earlier, that's the jump seat in the seat position. And I'll show you what it looks like in the armrest position in a second. With being an S, you get leather, and your driver and passenger seat are heated as well. Digital display, 9,500 miles, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, then all your climate control, your heated seats, etc. all work from this bit. Large screen, navigation, media, telephone, plus 360 camera. You've also got a 3D version as well. The armrest, or the third seat, sorry, if I pull that button there and slide that down, you've then got 2 cup holders and extra USBs towards the back as well. The pod lights I said I'll show you, so I'll flick them on. So you've got 3-litre diesel engine, all the financial benefits I mentioned earlier, but then you have a vehicle that looks like this. Plus the way we've priced it is very, very keen. So if you try and find another one, you've noticed you've got the illuminated LED grille or the bar, functional pod lights. It's a beautiful looking thing, this. So if you want to have a chat about how you can buy this particular one, any questions about part exchange and different funding options we might offer, anything to do with the vehicle in general, feel free to give me a call. My name's Paddy. You'll find my mobile number above. Any questions, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.